welcome to another episode of Practical 3D Printing. So on today's video we're going to be looking at these which I've printed off. So these are little component storage boxes, and the original files with these resistor boxes which I printed off to obviously store resistors. But I thought that these resistor boxes can obviously be expanded, so I've also made these much shorter little boxes, and I've also made these double width boxes, and also I could make even larger boxes if I wanted to, but the key point is that they all slot together, so you can make as little or as much storage as you want. Okay, so first of all, the drawers have got to fit in the things, and some of them when you print out they might be a little bit tight, and this is because obviously when you print them out typically the first layer or two sort of sticks out of it, so I just use some scissors, or you could use a knife or sandpaper just to remove that extra bit of plastic. Like that, and then hopefully this should slide in quite nicely. So at first they might be a bit stiff, but on some of them if you just work them in and out then they soon come loose. So as you can see now that is starting to slide quite smoothly. So as well, these little modules, they've got these slots in the front, and this is to put in obviously labels. So I'm just using some scrap paper, and if you cut these to length, like that, then you can obviously cut a strip and then just cut them off as you need them. And then for the resistor boxes you can obviously get some resistors, so let's have a look. So these are 47 kilo ohm, so I'm just going to write that on this little label. And that can be slotted into the drawer. Like that, and then obviously the resistors can just be placed in there. So there's one drawer full of resistors with its nice little label, and then you can put this into its housing, and then you can slot as many of these together as you want. So that's the great thing about these, is that you can just slot them together and make as many drawers and storage solutions as you need. And then I've also made these little component drawers. So these are obviously for either smaller or lower volume of parts. So these slot on exactly the same as all the other pieces. So you can either position these at the back or at the front, and they work just the same as the other component drawers. So now I can begin to put all the drawers back in. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then please make sure to leave a like and subscribe so you don't miss my next episode. Thanks for watching. Bye.